1. Boost your memory. The science-backed benefits of eating blueberries every day. 2. Why you should eat blueberries daily plus 5 easy ways to enjoy them, health benefits and recipes. 1. Boost your memory. The science-backed benefits of eating blueberries every day. Unleash the power of blueberries, a brain-boosting adventure. Imagine a simple, tasty way to potentially enhance your memory and cognitive function. Blueberries, a beloved fruit among many, might just be the key to unlocking these benefits. But here's the intriguing part, it's not just about eating them, it's about understanding how and why they work their magic. According to a 2022 study published in Nutrients, blueberries could be a secret weapon against cognitive decline. The study focused on overweight adults aged 50 to 65 with cognitive impairment. After consuming blueberry powder daily for 12 weeks, the subjects showed improvements in various memory tests, suggesting a reduced risk of dementia. This finding is supported by registered dietitian Maggie Moon, who attributes these benefits to the powerful antioxidants called anthocyanins found in blueberries. Anthocyanins, the blueberry's superpower. Anthocyanins are not just responsible for the vibrant blue color of blueberries, explains Moon. They are potent antioxidants believed to enhance short-term and long-term memory, improve spatial awareness, and reduce the risk of cognitive decline and Alzheimer's disease. This is especially relevant as the aging population faces an increased risk of dementia, a concern highlighted in a 2025 article from Nature Medicine. However, it's crucial to consider how you incorporate blueberries into your diet. Simply adding them to a high-fat muffin might negate their nutritional benefits. A 2023 article in JAMA Neurology suggests a link between cognitive decline and a diet high in ultra-processed foods. So, how should you enjoy blueberries to maximize their brain-boosting potential? The art of blueberry consumption. Moon recommends enjoying blueberries fresh or frozen, as cooking them may reduce their antioxidant content. A 2013 study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that cooking and baking can decrease anthocyanin levels in blueberries by 10 to 21%. Interestingly, wild blueberries seem to retain their antioxidant content even after being exposed to heat, as shown in a 2009 study in the International Journal of Food Sciences and Nutrition. Wild blueberry adventure. This leads us to the conclusion that wild blueberries might be the ultimate choice for a nutritional punch. Moon suggests trying frozen wild blueberries, which lock in peak flavor and nutrition, offering more antioxidants than regular blueberries. She recommends a simple yet delicious smoothie with soy milk, vanilla, and cinnamon. For a fun twist, create a red, white, and blue salad with watermelon, blueberries, soft goat cheese, lemon juice, and black pepper. Start your day with a mental boost by adding blueberries to your hot oatmeal, overnight oats, or yogurt. The possibilities are endless and delicious. So, are you ready to embrace the blueberry revolution? Remember, it's not just about eating healthy, it's about understanding and appreciating the science behind it. Now, go ahead and indulge in some blueberry goodness. 2. Why you should eat blueberries daily plus 5 easy ways to enjoy them, health benefits and recipes. Why you should make blueberries a daily staple in your diet. Blueberries are often hailed as nature's superfood, and for good reason. With their stunning deep blue to purple hue, these little berries are not only visually appealing but also packed with a wealth of health benefits. Their flavor strikes a delightful balance between sweet and slightly tart, making them a favorite among many. Ripe blueberries are juicy and mildly sweet, while those that are less ripe offer a tangy, refreshing taste. Rich in antioxidants, vitamin C and K, and dietary fiber, they are also low in calories. Let's delve into the compelling reasons to incorporate these berries into your daily routine and explore various delicious ways to enjoy them. What do studies reveal? Research from the National Library of Medicine indicates that a consistent or moderate consumption of blueberries and anthocyanins can significantly lower the risk of cardiovascular diseases, premature death, and type 2 diabetes. Additionally, they contribute to better weight management and neuroprotection. These berries enhance blood vessel function and offer brain protection. Both clinical and observational studies have shown improvements in cholesterol levels, blood pressure, and insulin sensitivity. Furthermore, blueberries positively influence gut bacteria and help reduce inflammation, which is crucial in preventing chronic diseases. Boosting brain health. Blueberries are abundant in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which are known to enhance memory, concentration, and may even slow down cognitive decline associated with aging. A study conducted by King's College London found that consuming blueberries or blueberry powder can lead to improvements in memory, executive function, attention accuracy, and reaction times. Promoting heart health. Incorporating blueberries into your diet can be beneficial for heart health. Regular consumption can help lower blood pressure, decrease levels of bad cholesterol, and enhance overall cardiovascular function. The polyphenol found in blueberries, especially anthocyanins, possess antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that safeguard the cardiovascular system. Enhancing digestion. These berries are a great source of dietary fiber, which is essential for promoting healthy digestion and preventing constipation. A study has shown that blueberries can support digestive health by improving gut barrier function, reducing inflammation and oxidative damage, and nurturing a healthy gut microbiome. Strengthening immunity. Blueberries are loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants, which play a vital role in helping the body fend off infections and minimize inflammation. A 2020 study published in Frontiers in Immunology found that diets rich in polyphenol, including blueberries, enhance immune cell responses, aiding the body in resisting viral infections like colds and flu while also reducing chronic inflammation. Another study indicated that consuming 250 grams of blueberries daily for 6 weeks can boost natural killer NK cell counts and lower oxidative stress and inflammation after intense exercise, suggesting a strengthened immune defense. Protecting your skin. Blueberries are effective in combating free radicals, which can help diminish wrinkles and fine lines, keeping your skin radiant. A 12-week clinical study demonstrated that topical application of blueberry extract improved skin wrinkle formation, smoothness, and hydration in women with type 2 diabetes, indicating potential benefits for skin texture and moisture. Creative ways to include blueberries in your daily diet. Add to breakfast bowls. One of the simplest ways to enjoy blueberries is by tossing a handful of fresh or frozen berries into your oatmeal, muesli, chia pudding, or Greek yogurt. This not only adds natural sweetness but also boosts your fiber and antioxidant intake to kickstart your day. Blend into smoothies. Blueberries blend beautifully with bananas, spinach, almond milk, or even protein powders. Just mix them with other fruits in a blender for a refreshing, energy-boosting drink that's also great for your skin. Mix into pancakes or waffles. For a delightful twist, stir blueberries directly into your pancake or waffle batter, or sprinkle them on top while cooking. They create sweet tart pockets of flavor that elevate your breakfast experience. Snack on them fresh or frozen. The easiest way to enjoy blueberries is to keep washed ones in your fridge or freezer for a quick snack. They make for a guilt-free treat between meals, and frozen blueberries are like little bites of sorbet. Sprinkle over salads or toast. Add a burst of color and tang to your green salads with blueberries, or mash a few on toast spread with peanut or almond butter for a fruity twist. Final thoughts. Incorporating blueberries into your daily diet can be a delicious and healthful choice. With their myriad benefits, from boosting brain function to enhancing skin health, these berries are truly a powerhouse of nutrition. But here's where it gets controversial. Some people argue that the benefits of blueberries are overstated compared to other fruits. What do you think? Are blueberries worth the hype, or do you have other favorites that you believe are just as beneficial? Share your thoughts in the comments below.